In a world driven by innovation and technological advancement, artificial intelligence stands as a transformative force, shaping industries, revolutionizing processes, and redefining human interaction with technology. The promises of AI are vast and encompass improved efficiency, enhanced decision-making, and even the potential to address some of humanity's most pressing challenges. However, along with the remarkable potential of AI, there are also profound concerns and ethical considerations that deserve careful consideration. From bias and discrimination to the unintended consequences of complex algorithms, the rise of superintelligence, and the risks of weaponization and deepfake manipulation. These concerns remind us that the path to AI's integration into our lives is not without hurdles. Bias and discrimination. Bias and discrimination in artificial intelligence algorithms pose significant challenges to the fairness and inclusivity of AI-driven systems. These biases can emerge from biased training data, leading to unequal treatment and perpetuating societal inequalities. Representation bias, stereotyping bias, sample bias, and feedback loop bias are common manifestations of bias in AI. The consequences of biased AI are far-reaching, affecting areas such as lending, facial recognition, hiring, and more. To address this issue, diverse and representative training datasets are crucial. Pre-processing data, developing fair algorithms, regular auditing, promoting algorithm explainability, and involving diverse development teams are essential steps to mitigate bias. Ongoing monitoring and collaboration between the AI community, policymakers, and society are necessary to ensure AI systems promote fairness, inclusivity, and ethical decision-making. By taking proactive measures, we can harness the potential of AI while minimizing the risks of bias and discrimination, creating a more equitable technological landscape. Dependency on AI. As artificial intelligence becomes increasingly integrated into various aspects of society, concerns arise about the potential for excessive dependence on AI systems. While AI offers efficiency and innovation, over-reliance can lead to unforeseen consequences. Dependency on AI can erode critical human skills, knowledge, and decision-making capabilities. Relying solely on AI for tasks might lead to vulnerabilities if AI systems fail, make errors, or encounter situations they are not equipped to handle. To mitigate this risk, a balanced approach is needed. Leveraging AI's capabilities while preserving human expertise ensures a synergy that benefits society. Encouraging ongoing human learning, maintaining the ability to operate without AI, and having contingency plans for AI failures are key to managing the potential negative impact of dependency on AI. Manipulation and deepfakes. The advent of artificial intelligence has introduced the unsettling phenomenon of manipulation and deepfakes. Deepfakes are AI-generated content, such as realistic but fabricated videos or audio recordings, that can deceive individuals and manipulate public perception. AI manipulation and deepfakes raise significant concerns for misinformation, privacy breaches, and erosion of trust in media and communications. These technologies have the potential to undermine the authenticity of digital content and distort reality. Addressing this challenge involves a multifaceted approach, including technological solutions for detecting deepfakes, media literacy education to empower individuals to identify manipulated content, and legal frameworks to deter malicious use of AI manipulation. Safeguarding against manipulation and deepfakes requires vigilance from technology developers, platforms, policymakers, and the public to ensure that AI technologies are used ethically and responsibly, preserving the integrity of information and discourse. Weaponization of AI. The weaponization of artificial intelligence refers to the use of AI technologies for military purposes, raising concerns about the potential for arms races and ethical dilemmas. Autonomous AI-driven weapons, such as drones and combat systems, can operate without direct human control, potentially leading to unpredictable actions and escalation. Weaponized AI introduces challenges in maintaining human oversight, adhering to international laws, and preventing unintended conflicts. The potential for AI-driven warfare underscores the importance of ethical considerations, regulations, and diplomatic efforts to prevent the misuse of AI for destructive purposes. Balancing the potential benefits of AI in defense with ethical and humanitarian concerns requires international cooperation, transparency, and responsible development guidelines to ensure that AI technologies are used for peaceful and ethical purposes. Superintelligence. The concept of superintelligence in artificial intelligence refers to a hypothetical scenario where AI systems surpass human cognitive abilities. This idea raises questions about how to control and manage AI systems that operate beyond human comprehension. Superintelligent AI could exhibit behavior and make decisions that are unpredictable and potentially uncontrollable. This scenario carries both promise and risks, as it could lead to unprecedented scientific discoveries and innovations, but also presents challenges in ensuring the AI's alignment with human values. To address the potential impacts of superintelligence, ongoing research in AI ethics, safety measures, and regulation is essential. Striking a balance between AI advancements and maintaining human oversight can help society navigate the complexities of superintelligence and harness its potential while minimizing risks. Loss of human control. The advancement of artificial intelligence raises concerns about the potential loss of human control over AI systems. As AI becomes more complex and autonomous, it can make decisions that humans may struggle to understand or predict. This loss of human control can lead to unintended consequences, especially in critical domains like healthcare, finance, and transportation. Ensuring that AI systems remain transparent, explainable, and accountable is essential to prevent scenarios where humans are unable to intervene or correct AI-driven actions. Balancing the benefits of AI with maintaining human oversight is a challenge that requires ongoing research, regulation, and collaboration across disciplines. By establishing safeguards and maintaining human involvement, society can harness the power of AI while retaining the ability to guide and correct its actions. Privacy concerns. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized industries by processing vast amounts of data, but this power raises serious privacy concerns. AI's ability to analyze personal information can lead to the misuse or unauthorized access of sensitive data. These privacy concerns extend to issues like data breaches, surveillance, and the potential for AI systems to infer personal attributes from seemingly innocuous data. As AI becomes more integrated into daily life, protecting individuals' privacy becomes paramount. Addressing privacy concerns requires robust data protection measures, transparent data usage policies, and compliance with privacy regulations. Striking a balance between utilizing data for AI advancements while safeguarding individuals' privacy rights is crucial to build trust and ensure responsible AI deployment. Job displacement due to AI. The rise of artificial intelligence has sparked concerns about job displacement as automation reshapes industries. AI's ability to handle tasks traditionally performed by humans can lead to changes in the job market. While AI promises increased efficiency, it also threatens certain job roles. Job displacement occurs when AI systems take over routine and repetitive tasks, potentially leading to unemployment and shifts in workforce dynamics. This challenge requires a proactive approach that focuses on upskilling and reskilling the workforce, as well as creating new opportunities in areas where AI collaboration enhances human capabilities. Policymakers, industries, and educational institutions play a crucial role in preparing the workforce for an AI-driven future. By addressing job displacement with strategic planning and investing in skill development, societies can harness the benefits of AI while minimizing its disruptive impact on employment. Security risks. The integration of artificial intelligence into various domains has brought about significant advancements, but has also raised concerns about security vulnerabilities. AI systems, reliant on complex algorithms and large datasets, can be susceptible to hacking, manipulation, and malicious attacks. These security risks can have severe consequences, especially when AI controls critical infrastructure or sensitive information. Malicious actors may exploit vulnerabilities in AI systems to gain unauthorized access, steal data, or disrupt operations. Addressing AI-related security risks demands a comprehensive approach that includes rigorous testing, encryption, secure design practices, and continuous monitoring. Collaboration between AI developers, cybersecurity experts, and policymakers is essential to build resilient AI systems that can withstand evolving threats, ensuring that the benefits of AI are realized without compromising security. Unintended consequences. The realm of artificial intelligence brings forth the potential for unintended consequences that can have a profound impact on society. AI systems, while designed to enhance efficiency and accuracy, can generate unexpected outcomes due to their complexity. These outcomes range from benign errors to serious failures that can disrupt industries and daily life. The challenge lies in predicting and mitigating these consequences. While AI systems aim to optimize tasks, they might encounter situations not accounted for in their training data. These unforeseen scenarios can result in uncertain behavior, undermining the reliability of AI-driven systems. To address this, ongoing research, rigorous testing, and continual monitoring are crucial. Developers must embrace transparency and accountability, as well as collaborate across disciplines to uncover potential pitfalls. Lack of accountability. The emergence of artificial intelligence has introduced a significant concern surrounding the lack of accountability. As AI systems become more sophisticated and autonomous, it becomes challenging to attribute responsibility for their decisions and actions. This lack of accountability arises due to the intricate and often inscrutable nature of AI algorithms. In critical scenarios such as medical diagnoses or legal decisions, the inability to pinpoint responsibility can have serious consequences. Striking a balance between the benefits of AI and ensuring accountability requires the establishment of frameworks that allow for transparency and traceability in AI decision-making. Developers, policymakers, and experts are working towards creating standards that hold AI systems accountable for their outputs. Implementing mechanisms for auditing, explaining, and understanding AI processes can help mitigate the risk of unaccountable actions and foster responsible AI deployment for the betterment of society. Conclusion. As AI continues its inexorable march into our lives, it's evident that while its potential is awe-inspiring, its challenges are equally significant. Navigating the intricacies of AI requires a multifaceted approach that marries innovation with ethics, technological advancement with humanity, and the quest for progress with the preservation of values. Addressing the dangers and pitfalls that AI brings to the forefront is not only the responsibility of technology developers, but also of policymakers, educators, and society as a whole. By forging a collective commitment to transparency, ethical development, and accountability, we can harness AI's vast potential while safeguarding against its inherent risks. The journey ahead is one that demands both bold exploration and careful navigation, with the ultimate goal of making AI a force for positive change that benefits all of humanity. What you think about our video, let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.